So I'm reporting to you from my garage right now because everybody else in the house is sleeping. But while I was going through Facebook, I came across something pretty cool that I think you're going to want to take a look at. So what we have here is a possible Mavic 2 twist. So that twist here is that it's possible that there could be two different Mavic Pros or Mavic 2s coming out here from DJI. So in the Mavic group on Facebook, there's a photo of what appears to be a catalog, which is claimed to be from a company called Argos. And it has pictures of some DJI products in there, the Tello, the Mobile 2, the Mavic Air. But the big news here is that it has the Mavic 2 in the catalog here. But not only does it have the Mavic 2, it has two different models. So you can kind of see on here in the fine print, it's a little bit harder to see, but luckily it should be, pretty clear. It's basically talking about the Mavic 2 being small, powerful, 1080p transmission, blah, 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 max speed of 20 meters per second, which comes out to about 45 miles per hour, 31-minute flight time. But the huge thing here is that it talks about two different cameras, basically. So you have one that will be a 1-inch CMOS sensor camera on the Pro version, and it says on the top here Hasselblad camera. I don't know of any small cameras they make. I know they make medium format and crazy expensive, awesome cameras, but I haven't seen anything small from them that I can think of off the top of my head. But then they also have a zoom version, which is 2x optical zoom, and that's 24 to 48 millimeter equivalent. Now, this is crazy huge news, assuming this isn't fake. The photos look pretty legitimate. I've done advertising and stuff before, so I know how to make things like this, but it looks fairly legitimate. And I mean, what's cool about it is, if you see on there, unfortunately it's kind of pixelated, but the Mavic 2 Pro camera that they've got there does look a lot like the Mavic Pro 2 leak photos that we've seen in the last couple weeks. But the other thing that I notice is on the Mavic 2 Zoom, it looks a lot like the Enterprise Mavic that we saw in the beginning or middle of the month here. That it seemed like it was maybe like a lesser version, but even though on the arm it shows Mavic Enterprise, maybe this is two kind of different versions of the Mavic 2 that we'll be seeing here from DJI. Now, I don't like getting too excited or talking too much about rumors. I know I've sort of covered it in the past. I don't try to focus on it because there's so much this, that, and the other with rumors and leaks. However, this does look pretty legitimate, so I'm hoping here that we're kind of onto something and that we are getting close to seeing a new Mavic 2 from DJI, or who knows, maybe this is just a fake ad put together by somebody. But either way, I guess kudos to them. It looks pretty legit, but hopefully we're seeing the first kind of detailed info and pics on the new Mavic 2. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hopefully I'll be able to cover some other things here as we find out maybe this might be more legitimate, or find out more photos or whatever else basically on it. And of course, don't forget to comment below and let me know what you think, and hopefully we'll find out some cool info here.